things went well.
Okay. If I ask you to, speak out synopsis of Are You One of the 27 in 60 words, your words?
There is this boy who is alone in this hostel of big children, and this is one boy alone who is a child, and then he doesn't have a friend, and he realizes looking at an advertisement of this
On 10,000, 20,000 kind of.
yeah, and there is this advertisement, and he takes the format of it, and he says, okay, if everybody are going there, why not here? They will come to me too, and then this expectations lead him to
Make the similar advertisement asking for friends.
yeah. And then we see the result, rather he doesn't see. And I had this very greed, or not greed, but I had that
Thing in your mind, your concern.
yeah, that another end would be that he takes this 5 rupee and keeps there over there. But I had to reject that, because it would then make the character of the child negative, or have a negative character. So I didn't do that. Otherwise it would be a different film. But I had to retain that innocence of the child. So I didn't make him do that.
So it was your selection.
It was my selection. Making is always
selection. Your another passion, rather very deep and concerned passion, is music. You have again, people have seen you, playing guitar in the Kamati Garden of Baroda and elsewhere as well. The role of music in your life.
Music is everything. Like it's music. I'm conquered by music. I have not conquered music.
Okay.
Music is always a bigger thing than you as a person. So it's not a person. It's not a singer. It's music that flows through him, and it's music's greatness that it comes to you. There's nothing I have done.
Okay, how you are going to use that, your ability of music in your cinema, in your films? Your films will be musical one or what?
Yeah, there will be one film that I will make, but I'm not prepared for that right now, because when I will make a film on music, I am very sincere about this, that it has to be something rather than normal, and I have a lot of patience, and let's see things. But otherwise, music. That's it.
It's a mystical thing.
It's a mystical thing I can't describe.
Okay, Raj. We have heard that you are also called Swami Antar or something. So probably you are the sannyasi of Osho.
Yeah.
Tell us about your spiritual journey. I mean, it's again amazing that in your age you are very young and you are very spiritual. Talk about that.
When I was a child, I always asked questions. I was almost an atheist, and naturally I used to ask a lot of questions. I used to ask questions about existence, and I used to, my parents used to get worried a lot because of my attitude towards life. That was very adventurous and not the usual kind of thing. And then I couldn't find anything, but someday a friend gave me a book of Osho, and I said, oh, this is it. Then the first experience is always a big thing. So then whatever happens with every sannyasi, Osho follower or Osho lover, started happening, and I started going into it, meditating, exploring a lot of things, and saw things like melting the ego and a lot of things. Spiritual journey is on.
Okay. we know very well about your passion. You want to make films, but can you define, in words, what exactly you are going to do in cinema? Any specific vision you are going with?
Yeah. Personally, I know myself, and I know that I am a man of extremes. Even it shows in my photographs that there are a lot of contrasts. Photographs I have taken. Even the films will follow the same thing. Like if I'll make a film, either I'll make it so much meaningful that every person has to get an intellectual kick and has to transform. Not exactly, but at least they get this vision of transforming themselves. Or either it will just be on the other pole, just an excitement, light mood, being in the present and just enjoying the movie, not thinking at all. Either it will be a totally heart-based, or either the head-based.
Okay. So there will not be mingling of heart and mind, probably.
Again, it's a mix. Like the film that contains the theme of heart will have an intellectual point, but not that seriously that comes in this way.
Okay. Generally, it happens that we ask at the end of the interview, in Speak Bindas, that what is your message to the fans. But you are going to have your fans in future, so give your future message to the fans.
Oh.
Or just coming in your life.
Just come in my life.
Okay, become my fan. That is what.
No, become my friend.
Okay. Raj, thanks a lot for talking with us.